How to make money from ClickBank. There are many ways for you to make money, but they require new skills and discipline. You just have to know how to do it. One of the best ways to make money online is with ClickBank. What is ClickBank? ClickBank is an affiliate network which offers clickable banners, landing pages and text links with affiliate codes so that you can advertise. Once someone clicks on your link or banner, they're taken to the ClickBank website, where they can buy one of the products you are advertising for a commission. This article will cover how to make money from ClickBank in a variety of different ways. You can make a lot of money by selling items that are on demand, and it's quick and easy to get started. ClickBank is one of the top affiliate networks for high-quality digital products and services on the web. For every purchase made through your link or banner landing page code, you will earn commission. Getting started with ClickBank. 1. Go to the clickbank.com website and sign up for a free account. It only takes a minute. 2. On the dashboard, you'll see how many sales there are available in each category. Just choose what interests you and place your affiliate link into an article or anywhere on your blog. See how to do that below. 3. When someone clicks your link or banner, they will be taken to the product's ClickBank page. They can either purchase right then and there with their credit card, or they can opt in for an email newsletter. This allows them 24 hours before they must confirm their order, which is nice because it gives them a chance to think about it. 4. Once they purchase or opt in, you will be paid via ClickBank and can withdraw your money at any time. You can even choose how much of your earnings you want to keep in your account, so the rest can be reinvested into more clicks, sales, etc. How to place affiliate links into an article or blog post. 1. Write an article about how you can start making money from ClickBank. If it's descriptive, that is even better and will help sell the product more effectively. 2. Add a link to your affiliate ID at the end of your post. 3. You may also want to include how fast you made the money. For example, how quickly did it take for your first payment to be received? I received my first payment from ClickBank in just 12 hours after publishing an article about how I made money on the website. 4. If you wish, you can also add a picture from the product page. You might want to do this at the end of your post so that visitors have something to click on immediately after reading your post. Although the product page may not be what people read first, it is still a great way to convert more visitors into actual sales instead of just prospects who visit and then leave without purchasing. 5. Write how quick and easy it was for you to get started on ClickBank and how much money you made, as mentioned above. 6. Keep in mind that you can add affiliate links to any of your posts or articles, not just how-tos or how I made money posts, without violating Google policies. This is because it is still content and will help your readers find information they want, but you're also providing a convenient link for how they can purchase the product. Additional information from ClickBank. 1. You do not need to have your own website or blog in order to use affiliate links, banners on other people's websites. You can add your affiliate links to other people's blogs and then earn a commission on each sale made through your link. 2. You can alternatively create how-to articles, like how I made money from ClickBank posts, or how to start making money from ClickBank posts. 3. ClickBank has an excellent reputation and is very safe and secure to use. It was established in 1998. You are not likely to have any issues. However, if you do, they have a good support system to help you figure out any problems. 4. The wait time for your first payment from ClickBank may vary depending on how well your affiliate link converts and how long it takes for your first sale to be made. It can take as little as 12 hours or up to several months. 5. You will not need to spend a lot of money on how to make money from ClickBank articles, as many people are searching how to earn money online with ClickBank, or how they can make money fast online, how I made $1,000 on ClickBank, etc. So, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based advertising. In an affiliate marketing arrangement, the advertiser pays the affiliate for each visitor or customer brought by the advert to their site. The advertiser usually provides some sort of product such as a physical good or digital service, and often this will be sold via e-commerce. The payment comes in two parts. One part from how much someone buys, cost per acquisition, and another part how many people they have referred to buy something, the conversion rate. Affiliates can therefore earn money when they refer someone who purchases something on the advertiser's website, but also if that person then refers others who make a purchase too. How to have a profitable affiliate marketing campaign. 1. Know what are your selling points. 2. Define who is your target market. 3. Plan how often do you update the site with new content. What could be good content topics? Here are 5 topics as ideas. 1. How to make money from ClickBank. You're the expert, so how to earn affiliate commissions or how to make money from being an affiliate all works here. People naturally want this one. 2. How I made $100 in 15 minutes from ClickBank. Describe how you made the money, how easy it was, etc. 3. Ways to make money from home. How I made $500 a month with ClickBank. This is how my wife and I easily make money using our computer at home. 4. How I make $500 a day from home with my laptop. Now this is how you can easily make money from your home using affiliate marketing. 5. How to get started on ClickBank. How to sign up. How to place ads, banners, text links, and/or landing pages. How fast you'll get paid. What affiliate marketers must avoid. 1. Don't place ads too often. You don't want to oversaturate your potential audience's feed. 2. Ad copy should be short and sweet and not too salesy. 3. Links should be clickable images on a mobile device so that the user can capture the link with their screenshot or share it in social media without leaving the app they're browsing. 4. Don't use some affiliate links exclusively for yourself and others only for your readers. All of them must be available to both. 5. Show how much money you make, how quickly you can make payouts on ClickBank or whatever platform you're using so that people will see how easy it is to get started. If you're looking to make money from home, affiliate marketing is one of the best ways. By partnering with ClickBank as an affiliate and becoming a reseller for their digital products, you can earn commissions on every sale made through your link or banner landing page code. In this how-to article, we've provided how to get started tips so that anyone can start earning more by following these simple steps. If all of this sounds intimidating and you want help enacting these principles, let us know. Do you have any how-to tips on how to make money from ClickBank? We want to hear all about it in the comments below. Let us know how you earn money online, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more weekly videos on making money online.